Well, took a look at it today. Definitely this is the issue. Did spin the bearing, and if you can see it ate it up really bad. This one, not so much. That's where the rod knock was. Now, as you can see, got it all apart. And here are the bearings from that cylinder. So here we go, I'm going to paint. As you can see, that spun it pretty good. So yeah, that's what happened. I believe I can rebuild it, possibly for the Fiero. I don't know. Always wanted a supercharged Fiero 3.8, but as you can see, this is what we found in the oil pan. That's a lot of bearing material. Yep. It was going to give up eventually. But on another note, we did find something else quite interesting. We found a hole in the valve cover. But it's not a push rod. So I'm trying to figure out how that happened. And like I said before, this is leaking. I'm going to go take the alternator and get it tested, so I got to back up. Pretty much tore it down in a few hours. Now we're going to clean up and get out of here. Alright guys, bye.